Hi, my name's Dan Other. I'm the John A. and Susan Mathis Chair of Environmental Engineering at the Missouri University of Science and Technology. I've been working for nearly a decade to implement the UN Millennium Development Goals in communities around the world. Today I'm speaking to you from the city of Anand in the state of Gujarat, India. Through a collaborative effort, we're addressing the importance of maternal health. As an environmental engineer, I've been fortunate to collaborate with some wonderful nursing researchers. In the fall of 2011, I was honored to be inducted as a lifetime member into Sigma Theta Tau, the International Honor Society of Nursing. In January 2013, we've partnered with the Nightingale Initiative for Global Health to recruit nurses from Hindija Hospital, Mumbai, to partner with us in this effort. Our primary objective is to assess the attitudes and behaviors of mothers with regards to prenatal, labor and delivery, and antenatal care. Our target populations include the working rural poor in the villages around Anand in the state of Gujarat, as well as the urban poor in Bombay. This video highlights some of our work and demonstrates the power of collaboration to address the ultimate goals of eliminating poverty and improving lives through the implementation of the Millennium Development Goals.
Hello everyone, my name is Nidhi Ranpuria. We are in the village of Bamroli, nearby Anand district of Gujarat. We are working here on the project in relation to attitude of maternal health, doing maternal health survey to check the attitude of women in relation to pregnancy, in relation to how their experience during the pregnancy, how they got the health services from the government in regards to their pregnancy, so that they have a healthy pregnancy and they have a healthy baby. Just before you got pregnant, how much did you weigh?
વજન કેટલું હતું તમારો છોકરો થતા પહેલા?
વજન તારું કેટલું હતું? 100 થયા ପରେ.
નથી ખબર. તો પછી જ્યારે હતું ત્યારે 9 મહિના કેટલું હતું 9મા મહિને?
તું બે વજન કરવા જા હું કરવા. કેટલું વજન થયું? કોણ? તારું મારું કયો કરાવે?
9મા મહિને કેટલું હતું?
ખબર નહીં.
She doesn't know anything before pregnancy, during the pregnancy.
Okay, approximately how much would be the weight now?
અમના કરાયું છે તમે? અમના કેટલું છે તમારું વજન ખબર છે? નથી ખબર. કોઈ બી વખત તમારું વજન કેટલું છે તમને ખબર જ નથી એક બી વખત?
કરાય નહીં.
She hasn't weighed herself at all.
She must have, but she might not know.
Yeah.
How much is the height?
Height, she won't be knowing it definitely.
તાવ એટલે કેવું કો? તારી
લંબાઈ
ઊંચાઈ કેટલી ઊંચાઈ? ખબર નહીં.
She looks like 5'2".
We can compare her with you in our
ऊपर था ना?
She looks 5'3". 5'3". Before you got pregnant, for this birth, were you using any birth control methods like pills or birth control pills or anything else?
આ છોકરું થયું ત્યાર પહેલા તમે એવી કોઈ પણ દવા વાપરતા હતા જેનાથી છોકરું ના થાય કે એવું કંઈ પણ કે બીજું કંઈ પણ એવું નહીં?
Have you postpartum checkup? Like, has she gone to doctor after her delivery of 4 to 6 weeks?
અને છોકરું થયા પછી તમે ડૉક્ટર પાસે ગયા છો 4 કે 6 વીક પછી કે એકાદ મહિના પછી? No, nothing.
She did not go
At
to
all.
see the doctor at all.
તમે ગયા છો કે
Delivery.
ડૉક્ટર પાસે delivery પછી? એક બી વખત નહીં? No, she hasn't gone at all.
Since your most recent birth, has a doctor, nurse or other healthcare worker talked to you about using birth control to prevent pregnancy in future?
આ છોકરું થયા પછી કોઈ પણ ડૉક્ટરે કે નર્સે તમને કીધું છે કે બીજું છોકરું ના થાય કે થોડાક વર્ષ પછી થાય તો શું વાપરવાનું? ના, nothing like that.
Right now, what is the main birth control method you are using to prevent pregnancy if she is using?
તમે કંઈ વાપરો છો ખરા કે બીજું છોકરું ના થાય હમણાં? She's not using anything.
The most interesting thing about their health itself is that when they are pregnant and after the pregnancy also they don't know many measures in regards to their health, like what is their health what was their health status before they got pregnant, what was the health status when they were during pregnancy. Like they don't know the bare minimum indicators of health, like what was their weight before they got pregnant and how much weight they have gained during the pregnancy and how much ideal weight they should be having for a healthy motherhood. We are getting to know most of the things in relation to birth control measures which is not being told to them, or if it is being told to them it is not very consistent and we are seeing the variety of women we are interviewing. Like we have a variety of women aging from 38 years of age to 18 years of age as well. So, healthy mothers in our country or healthy children in our country, we want to reduce the maternal mortality and infant mortality. We need to make them aware about their health conditions.